Okay, coming up on the beehive. You can see that whole field, yellow. There's another half section that way to the east, and then to the south there's a quarter section. So the beehives sit, you can just see right on the edge. 10 feet up from behind the hives, you're right into canola. Good spot because in this field here you can see it's grass and clover. He cuts it for his, or someone cuts it for the cows. Stay! Stay! He's going out to do a quick check. You can see right the yellow. So the canola's in flower. I like to sneak them a little sugar water and pollen from time to time. They seem to really like it. And I buy at the health food store, you can get this pollen from bees. Well, you can see the activity, and the bees are right on it. You can see the canola up behind. A lot flying today. You can just see the amount of bees at that entrance. I'll get close up. All cleaning up that sugar water. I sure don't have to go far to get pollen and nectar now. They can load up and walk back. But they seem to really like this sugar water thing. I do it every once in a while. But they sure seem to love it. Haven't seen anybody else do it, but thought I would try it one time, and the bees really seemed to go for it, so. And yeah, a couple drowned, but I don't put all that much out, and they can get out of that cap, and they just got to go to the sides. And there's a lot of clover. There's so much close here. A section of canola. Well, I don't know if you can see the amount of bees, but they just seem to love this. So, every once in a while, once a week, I fill up those Those are just caps off something that come into the house, and they're small. But they sure seem to like it, so. And this is 1-to-1 sugar water with some of that fat bee growth program mixed in with it. But they sure seem to like it. They're just all over it like flies to cow and poop. So I continue to do it for that reason. You can see the amount of bees there. And then I push these back in case it rains. And there we go. But the bees sure seem like they enjoy it, and they're all over it when I do it, so. And I spill a little bit of pollen, and I spill a little sugar water, and they're right on cleaning that up. But I don't know, they seem to really like it, so hey, why not? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Hit the like button if you liked what you saw. Thank you. Have a good day.